let's say I give you something like this. And I said represent the solution on a graph. Well, I shouldn't say graph. Let's say number line, right? So represent the solution on a number line. What would be your first course of action? So I give you an inequality here, and then I say represent the solution on a number line. What will you do? Alright, so essentially what she's saying there is you need to start off first of all by solving for this inequality. So what I saw in a chat from Tyrone in a little bit, we'll discuss that one, alright? Because that also is something that you can be asked to do, which is represent this inequality on a graph. Okay, so let's take a look at representing the solution, because we want the solution. This is what tells us that we need to solve this inequality. We want the solution. So let's solve the inequality. If we're solving the inequality, as she just mentioned, right, Adina just mentioned that she is going to add 3 on both sides. Alright, so something that I always tell students is this: when you're dealing with inequalities and you need to solve an inequality, treat it as though it were a normal equation. It's just that the symbols are a little different. So when you treat it as just a normal equation, the objective of an equation is to solve for your unknown. And that's all we're going to do here. So this would give me 2x is greater than or equal to 5 plus 3, which will give me 8. And that is such a terrible 8. And then finally, we divide both sides by 2, and we will get that x is greater than, wow, such a coincidence, not this again. Okay, anyway, yeah, x is greater than or equal to 4, which we do know how to represent on a number line, right? We looked at it just a few minutes ago. So if we have to represent the solution on a number line, all we're going to do is what we did earlier. Number line, find 4, and because it is greater than or equal to 4, we do shaded circle above 4 and an arrow moving to the right. Okay, so this is what you'll do if ever you have to present the solution to an inequality in this number line format. Solve the inequality first and then put it on a number line.